Our salary here will be $65,000 a year, and we pay it out weekly every Friday. We also offer health benefits with that, and then we just want to tie a real simple bonus to that. And the best part about the bonuses is that we want to pay it out monthly. You'll have upwards to $1,000 a month in bonus. Realistically, if a guy wants to run, or gal, $77,000 a year, right there. Plus health and everything else that you need. Brand new trucks, brand new trailers, full warranty bumper to bumper. We always have a warm body, someone to answer the phone. If we can have the salary and you get that consistent check every week, every Friday, your family's happy, everyone's taken care of, all the bills are paid, you can really kind of plan around a salary.